We'll guide you through how to define an Asana in the most efficient way possible using the latest methods and user interface updates as of 2026. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your web browser and open the Asana website. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From there, look at the left panel where you'll see different options like Home, My Tasks, Inbox, and more. Click on the Projects tab, which will show you a list of your existing projects. To define a new Asana, you need to either create a new project or select an existing one where you want to add your tasks. Let's say you're creating a new project. Click on the New Project button, then choose whether you want to use a template or start from scratch. After naming your project, you're ready to start defining tasks. Click on the Add Task button. A new window will pop up where you can enter the task name. Make sure to clearly define what the task is about, using precise language. You can then assign it to a team member by clicking on the Assignee field and selecting from the drop-down list. Set the due date by clicking on the calendar icon and choosing a date that aligns with your project timeline. You can add additional details or subtasks by expanding the Task Details pane. This is where you can attach files, add comments, or link to other tasks. To further define the Asana, use tags to categorize your task, making it easier to search and sort later. Once you're satisfied with all the details, click Create Task. Your Asana is now defined and ready for your team to take action. Remember, the clearer and more detailed your task definition, the smoother your project management will be. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.